In this video, we're going to be doing the BlephEx and Ilux 2 or Ilux Squared Dry Eye Treatment. I'm Dr. Bryce Heffington, and I've got one of my colleagues, Dr. Aggie Bremer, with us today, who's got a little bit of dryness, been through a lot of school, a lot of computer, everything like that, that's kind of clogged up those oil glands, because we've got oil glands that every time that we blink, it should be like melted popcorn butter oil coming across the front of your eyes. But what happens over time is that when you do too much reading, crossword, stitching, computer work, anything like that, where you're not blinking as regularly, those glands can get plugged up like a stick of butter in the refrigerator to where it gets pretty uncomfortable and your eyes may water a lot. They may feel pretty tired, light sensitive, dry, burning, itching, stinging, gritty, anything like that. So what you're going to see in a few moments is one of the latest advancements in dry eye treatment to help open those glands up, but also clean them up at the same time. So Doc, lean your head back, look up to the ceiling as high as you can. We're just going to put a little proparacaine numbing eye drops in her eyes just to give a little comfort measure. But the numbing drops just kind of make your eyelids feel a little bit heavy. They don't change, alter, or modify the vision. And these particular numbing drops last about 45 minutes or so. So we've got this new material that we started using on patients recently. It's a combination of Manuka honey and dead sea salt, which is actually very exfoliating, healthy for your eyes, very cleansing, relaxing, and gives you a very clean sensation for your eyelids. This is what we're going to soak the little BlephEx tips in. Now, as you notice, it doesn't come out as much like foam as some other material that we've used previously, whether it's tea tree oil or a previous generation of this. So this is kind of some next generation stuff we're using. You just kind of leave the little tips to soak, and all that fluid just kind of gets absorbed into the little tips there to get that Manuka honey and dead sea salt infused into the BlephEx tips. So Doc, I'm going to have you look up to the ceiling as high as you can for us. This little device spins clockwise and counterclockwise. It does just kind of tickle a little bit, but we noticed that over time, when you kind of push in with pressure just a little bit, it makes it a little bit more relaxing. Then we do a little counterclockwise rotation. Then look down toward your toes. And just a note about lash extensions. So a lot of times when we do these procedures, it can take off a little bit of eyeliner, makeup, mascara, anything like that. But in particular, the eyelash extensions can actually come off like a weed eater running through wet grass. So if you're considering a procedure like this, you'll definitely want to hold off on getting your eyelash extensions put in place, or defer it until after you have the treatment done, just because it's going to take a lot of it off. Very good.
Okay, we're clean.
Starting with the right lower eyelid, look up to the ceiling as high as you can for me. And close your eyes and relax. Does that feel comfortable there?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. So as we're heating these meibomian oil glands up, the temperature is currently reading in Celsius on this device, which it gets up in between 38 to 42 degrees Celsius or 100 to 108 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the required temperature that you need in order to properly melt the hardened oil in those meibomian glands. And we usually do this for about 40 to 60 seconds, depending on the severity and cloggage of the meibomian glands. Gonna get rid of that.
What did it feel like?
It just a little bit of pressure. That's all that you feel.
Was it hot?
No, it was just like a little pressure right here, but no pain or discomfort.
Good, good.
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. Close your eyes and relax. Does that feel okay there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Like Dr. Bremer, I too have spent a lot of time on the computer and reading and video editing and everything else in between, that my glands have been clogged up pretty significantly as well. And this procedure's really helped open mine up on a more annual basis. My results tend to last about 11 or 12 months, but everyone's different. Very good. Give it a grab. There we go. And close your eyes. Does that feel okay there?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. And timer started. Still doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell for notifications, and learn more about your eyes. I'm Dr. Bryce Heffington. We'll see you next time.